How to close your Barclays bank account online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your Barclays account online quickly and easily. If you want to close your Barclays bank account, remember that the process differs depending on whether you have a personal or business account. Personal accounts include current, savings, investment, international banking, Barclays card, loan, and mortgage account. To close your account, simply open the Barclays app, navigate to your account, and follow the closure instruction. If the app doesn't allow closure, contact Barclays customer support through the app or call 0345 734 5345. And if you are outside the UK, check their website for the correct number. Just remember that before closing, make sure that there are no remaining funds or pending transactions in your account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.